How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace of Strike Lake TV, and today we're making a knife out of a railroad spike. So let's get to it.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this bad boy off. Then, when we get our steel in the fire, we're going to get our tang drawn out and our blade made. It's a rough shape of what we're doing, so let's get the forge going. Now that we're done forging the knife, it is time to grind. Alright, so that's the end of part one for building this
railroad spike knife. This is what we started with, you know, a regular railroad spike. And this is the knife that we've made, that we have forged. Next thing we're gonna do is grind it some more and file it. That's gonna be the next video. And then once we're done filing, grinding, and then we quench it, we're gonna add a handle to this thing. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed. I know I have. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Pieces.